Hey guys, remember when I would say I'm gonna make a tutorial? Well, this is how you make it. Yeah, the pieces you'll need: a long piece like that, Technic. Another Technic piece, same size. A Technic 1x3 with a peg. A Technic 1x2 with a 1x3 peg. And a Technic piece 1x7. You take the one by 11, then you have a 1x3 peg right there, then a 1x1, 1x2 peg right there. Then you take 1x11 again with new peg, and you set it right there. You got the 1x3. Then you'll see it like that, and you just push it in. Let me line it up. There you go. Now it's like that. You take your 1x2 with the 1x3 Technic piece, and you stick it like that, right in front of the 1x3. So it's just like, hold on. So it's like that. Now you grab the knife part. It's 1x7. Now it'll be like that. And you grab the 1x11, and you stick it on right on. Let me set the camera down. Like that, right on. Oh my God, for God's sakes. Go on. Hold on. I gotta scoot it up. For some reason it's not going on. There you go. Got it. So now it'll be like this. So the results will be this. And you just push that up, the safety. So then you just push it all the way down for it to be able to go through like this. But I personally like the safety on, so it makes those noises of clacking. It's not the greatest knife ever, but it's still something to fool with. Like that. So, it's a piece of crap anyways. So I wouldn't be surprised if you don't actually make this. So, rate, comment, subscribe. Bye.